uthi ubesebenzela a foreign national employer who happened to have a fish and chips business here in South Africa. So wathi kuyena usuyahamba uya kwela kubo ubuyela emuva. Our today's first case review report we are about to present to you. We will call it a worker ukuze siprotecte a confidential information. We won't mention ukuthi this case review report we were conducting it for who, and we won't mention the company of the worker also, because this content is for educational purposes only. It is not to offend or to challenge any company or whatsoever. These case review reports which we have conducted for our clients or members, so that you learn from the experience which they were subject to. And sometimes sizoza ne case review report ezobe irelate kuwe exactly, mhlambe kuyinto nawe obhekene nayo emsebenzini, ikwazi ukuthi kena ikuncede ukuthi kena okay, this is how you solve this problem the right way, because the only way we encourage ukuthi ke abasebenzi bakwazi ukuclaima ama rights wabo the right way, not emotionally. They must be able to claim their rights the right way. Yeah, okay. This one is about unfair dismissal and unpaid wages. Okay, it was prepared by the Singumkhonto wabasebenzi NPC, the Spear of Workers. Okay, all right. It is as follows. Dear worker, after reviewing the fact you shared with us, it is clear that your labor rights were seriously violated, and the fish and chips fast food shop where you worked for 4 years. Below is a breakdown of your case status, your legal rights, and how we will help you take actions. Okay. Number 1, unfair dismissal. The employer told you he was going back home and promised to pay you and give your documents later. Okay? Just in short, uma echaza ubhuti lana uthi ubesebenzela a foreign national employer who happened to have a fish and chips business here in South Africa. So wathi kuyena usuyahamba uya kwela kubo ubuyela emuva, and for that reason that means the job of Mr. So it's about to end, and upromise ukuthi ke uzomkhokhela yonke imali yakhe, amnikeze wonke ama documents, ama exit documents akumele amnikeze wona, and ayikho naye into abezeyenza ubhuti uma esesho njalo umnumzana ukuthi ke hayi usebuyela kwela kubo, okusho ukuthi ke le business lene iyavalwa noma mhlambe izothathwa over ngomunye o-employer, but as for i-relationship yabo it ends there. Okay, kwenzakalani ke emva kwaloko? Kuvela amaqiniso ukuthi kena iqiniso alikho kumphathi kulento lena ayishoyo. Ngizoqhubeka ne case report esamconductela yona, but now we know he never left. Okay, number 2, the shop is still open. He never gave you any notice. he never paid you or contacted you. This is most likely a fraudulent excuse to remove you without process. You were dismissed without a valid reason, without a hearing, and without formal notice. That makes it an unfair dismissal under the Labor Relations Act. Yes, okusho ukuthi-ke umqashi lo ubefuna nje ukuthi-kena enze izaba zokuthi-kena amkhiphe nje kwi-employment without any due process, ngoba ingafuni ukuthi-kena alandele iprocess amkhokhele zonke izinto, so nje bekizama ukwenza ubugebengu. Yayibona lento leyo. And number 2, unpaid wages and benefits. You are legally owed your final week of pay. Bengakhokhelwanga iviki lakhe lokugcina lisebenza because he was paid every week. Okay? Number 2, notice pay. If notice pay was given, there was no notice pay which was paid to him. Also, any leave day you accumulated but were not paid. Ama leave days since ubengayithathanga i-leave ngalowo nyaka lowo, okusho ukuthi umqashi ubemkweleta imali yakhe yama leave days, nayo futhi ubengamkhokhelanga yona. Okay? A UI-19 form for your UIF application if registered. I-UI-19 nayo akazange kungukuthi-kena uyamnikeza yona if ubemregistile, which we ended up finding ukuthi-kena he was not registered for a UIF, which made problems worse. Yes, nayo ubengayitholanga. The employer broke the Basic Conditions of Employment Act by not paying you within 7 days and by not giving you the required documents. Okay. Number 3, your legal rights. In this section, it is about our legal rights wakhe ubhuti as an employee. Whether your employer is a foreigner or a South African, they are 100% subject to South African labor laws. They are not allowed to lie to workers to remove them. And they are not allowed to withhold or dismissed without following a legal process. Okay. Then number 4, how you can take action. Sesingena lapho ukuthi-kena after we have analyzed yonke i-case yakhe ukuthi-kena ime kanjani, what rights were violated and everything. Now we get to the exciting part, which every employee eager to understand whenever they are in a workplace trouble. What actions can I take? Which are actions are legal and are safe and are within their rights. Okay. Ngoba siloku silandela le case lena kuze kube lesi sikhathi, it is time now you have to understand ukuthi kena if ubhekene nale nkinga efana nale, what actions to take. Okay. You are protected by the law and you are not alone. We at the Spear of Workers will help you file an official CCMA complaint for unfair dismissal and unpaid wages. We will draft a supporting statement of what happened for you. Sizomdraftela statement in a professional way possible ukuthi kena athi noma ucommissioner esifunda athole ukuthi kena sibalansile konke okumele kube khona ukuze icase ibe as strong as possible ngalendlela edeserve ukuthi kena sibe ngakhona kumele ukuthi sibe ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Okay, we help you to put together that statement ngokucollecta yonke i-information ebalulekile ukuthi kena isupport icase yakho. Okay? And we guide you step by step through the process until your case is resolved. You have a strong case, but we must act quickly. CCMA requires that the case be referred within 30 days of dismissal. If it's already more than 30 days, we will help you request a condonation. Yes, if ubhekana nenkinga emsebenzini ukuthi kena uyaxoshwa and you believe you were unfairly dismissed, you have to lodge a CCMA referral within 30 days after the day you were dismissed. You mustn't wait ukuze kuphele 30 days. If it happens 30 days go past, you have to submit a condonation. Uchaza kabanzi ukuthi kena kungani urefere le case so late, because you had to refer it within 30 days. So CCMA requires a condonation where you explain why CCMA has to give you a chance to chair your case. Okay? We are with you. You gave 4 years of honest work. You deserve fair treatment and full payment. We are here to defend your dignity, your rights, and your future. In solidarity, singumkhonto wabasebenzi NPC, the Spear of Workers. Okay, iphelela khona lana ke i-case review report yanamhlanje okungeyokuqala kule series esisiqalile, ngoba sizama ukuthi ke sisebenzise ama-case esike sasebenza kuwo eyinkinga ezahlukahlukene, which are the real life case, not a fictional case, real life cases, so that everyone can benefit in the experience which suffered by other workers. Perhaps it might help you not to fall in the same trap they fell on. Something like choose to contact singumkhonto wabasebenzi, the Spear of Workers, when you have the problem over your shoulder, inkinga sezinkulu. The wisest way you can make sure ukuthi ke izinkinga zakho zi-under control, you have to contact the Spear of Workers and take our membership, so that izinkinga zakho zisencane emsebenzini. Uyakwazi ukuthi kena usicontacte, sikwazi ukuthi kena sikulekelele ukuze zingaze zibe inkulu. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So that is where case are built and case become stronger, and it is where case are won, ngoba sinayo yonke i-history yenkinga yakho ukuthi iqale kuphi yaya kuphi. So we are able to document your case. We have all the information because inkinga itheme iqale emsebenzini besikhona sakulekelela even if it happens to reach to CCMA, sinayo yonke i-information edingakalayo ye case. We help you to follow the due process the right way, so that uma ufika e-CCMA kungabe ukuthi kena kukhona wena iprocess ongayilandelanga ezokwenza ukuthi kena umqashi ebese phunyuka kangaka kanjalo nje ube wena uhlukumezekile. So kubalekile ukuthi kena u-exhauste all the internal processes to resolve the problem. Then uma kungukuthi kena uyahluleka, then that is your proof why you need CCMA assistance, because you have tried all you can to resolve the case internally before referring it to the CCMA. So if you cannot prove that ukuthi kena wena uzamile but umqashi akazange azafuna uku-cooperate nawe, uqhubekile wakucindezela ngendlela akucindezela ngayo, kwaze kwaba ukuthi kena vele you have no other choice, you have to seek ama-external remedies, ukuthi kena you have to take it to CCMA. Nibe nosuku oluhle. Ngithemba ukuthi kena kukhulu nikufundile lapha, niphinde futhi nisilandele kwi-episode elandelayo lapho sizobe sinenye i-case review report ehlukile ephethe futhi i-experience ehlukile ukuze silethe lo mniningwano uzokwazi ukuthi kena uncede. But if ever whatever situation obhekene nayo ucabanga ukuthi kena watching this podcast series won't be enough ukuthi kena uzibambele lama processes ngokwakho, we can assist you. Just contact us. Zikhona izinombolo on the comment section, usu-WhatsApp noma usifonele. And our membership awanabo ubungozi kulabo abasaba ukuthi kena babe ngamalunga ama-organizations like ama-unions and stuff. Umkhonto wabasebenzi is an NPC, is not a union. So akudingi ukuthi kena kumele kuze kwazi umqashi wakho ukuthi kena wena you are a member of the sphere of workers. You can be a member and umqashi wakho angazi lutho, futhi akudingi ukuthi kena azi you owe no explanation to him or her, and we owe no explanation to him ukuthi kena wena uyi-member ye-organization yethu, because every worker has a right to join any organization of their choice for assistance. Okay, so ungakwazi ukuthi kena ujoine angazi umqashi wakho, then mhla unenkinga yilapha azokwazi khona ukuthi kena you are not alone. Nibe nobusuku obuhle. Sinithanda kakhulu. Bekuthula Sizwe kaNkabinde lona. Siyabonga.